What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about the new conforming loan limits or conforming mortgage limits that were just announced by the Federal Housing Finance Agency the other day for 2022. What's up, everybody? Joelam, that real estate guy with the Turnkey Group. Again, we're going to go over the new conforming mortgage limits, the loan limits for 2022. But let's first go over what is a conforming loan limit. So conforming loan limits are something that were produced or introduced by the Federal National Mortgage Association, aka Fannie Mae, and also the Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation, aka Freddie Mac. And what it basically is it's the dollar amount or the loan cap that those organizations are willing to stand behind or willing to guarantee. They're willing to buy those mortgage securities. They're willing to back those or guarantee those securities. So there's a conforming loan amount. And up until last year or this year, they were in the fives, $500,000, $547,000. But let's look at the history of how they raised over the course of the last 12 years since 2008 or 14 years, 13, whatever that is, 13 years actually, 2008. After the market crashed from 2006 to 2008, they raised the conforming mortgage limits to $417,000 conventional. FHA was a lot lower then, but you can see it was stagnant for quite some time until about 2017 here, where it started to increase. We saw an uptick with people buying homes, so that started to increase 2018, 2019, which brings us to 2021. As we know, the market is insane. And it is growing rapidly, so the Federal Housing Finance Agency raises the conforming mortgage limits to keep pace with housing prices. So as of 2021, it was $548,250 for a single family, two family $702,000, three family, and the four family was $1 million. 2022, they raised it 18.5%. Basically $100,000 increase, and here is what that does. So as of right now, you can buy a home conventionally $548,000 for, there's 3% conventional products, there's 5% conventional products, and after this amount here, you go to what's called a jumbo loan, where you have to put 20% down, 10 to 20% down or more. Because banks like to see, if it's above the conforming mortgage limits, they like to see 20% equity in the house for them to loan on it. So that is the conforming. So there's the cap. Anything after that is called a jumbo loan. So they raised that amount to $647,000 for 2022, which means you can buy that much of a house for now 3% down, 5% down conventional, which is insane. So obviously there's conventional loans. This goes for pretty much it goes for the entire United States. There's other pockets. There's pockets of different areas that are go for more. They cap, they back more because of the housing prices are significantly higher in these certain areas. I'll show you that now. In conventional product, these little pockets of areas here, you can see the price here. The loan limit's $970,000 loan limit, but we're talking about California, where prices are insane. Again, New Jersey, North Jersey, up near New York, Middlesex, the conventional mortgage limits they're now $970,000. So you can buy a $970,000 home instead of 20% down, 3%, 5%, it's insane that you're able to do that. But for the most part, the rest of the country is $647,200 backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. But let's specifically talk about, let's go over the Fannie Mae product. So we're going to talk about Fannie Mae in specific counties. We're going to talk about, let's talk about Atlantic County. Atlantic County and Cumberland County are going to be similar. And this is in New Jersey. So as of 2021, the conforming limit for FHA loans, or the loan limit for FHA, was $356,362, where you could buy this house, or that amount of house, that max of amount of house, with 3.5% down. That was the limit. Now for 2021, that conforming limit is $420,000. You can buy a $420,000 home with 3.5% down, and that's just single family. There's duplexes, triplexes, quadruplexes as well. They have all increased. So that's Atlantic County. So you can now purchase a home in Atlantic County in the $420,000 range with a 3.5% down payment. Cumberland County is the same. So they're identical numbers. Cumberland County, you can buy a $420,000 home with 3.5% down. Now you will have your other closing costs, but you will have to talk to your lender regarding your closing costs. We're just specifically talking about the down payment when you're purchasing a home. So that is the FHA loan limits for Atlantic and Cumberland. Now, when we're talking about Gloucester and Camden County, they're all, they have gone up quite a bit. So as of 2021, you could buy a house in Gloucester County, 3.5% down FHA, up to $431,000, and then after that, you'd either have to switch to conventional if you can go that route. In 2022, the limit goes from $431,000 to $477,250, which is a significant increase. Again, 3.5% down, which is insane that you can buy that much of a house with that little bit of money down, 3.5%. Again, talk to your lender regarding the other closing costs, because there are other closing costs that come with purchasing a home. Camden County is the same exact numbers as Gloucester County, and I believe Burlington County as well is the same as these limits. So with that, all that being said, this is the information for the new conforming loan limits. We hope that information was helpful. All the links that we showed in this video today will be found below in the description of the video. So if you have any questions regarding the conforming loan limits, you can just click on the link, find that right in the description. Also, just take a second, click that subscribe button, smash that sucker, follow us. There's a bell that you can click to get notified of any upcoming videos. And also there's a link right above here where you can click it and come right to our website if you want to check out some properties that are coming to the market that fit inside of these numbers, inside of these conforming loan rates. Click that link right above. So thanks again, guys. Joe Lamb, that real estate guy. Peace.